Hello viewers, this is Jitu and I welcome you all to the GK Summit YouTube channel. In this video, I gathered 50 general physics questions which are very important in view of any competitive exam. If you are preparing for any competitive exams, then this video is only for you. So without wasting much time, let's begin. What is the working principle of a washing machine? Option A, centrifugation. Option B, dialysis. Option C, reverse osmosis. Option D, diffusion. Right answer is option A, centrifugation. Which of the following is not a vector quantity? Option A, displacement. Option B, velocity. Option C, force. Option D, volume. Right answer is option D, volume. Which of the following is a vector quantity? Option A, time. Option B, speed. Option C, displacement. Option D, distance. Right answer is option C, displacement. Which physical quantity is represented by the ratio of momentum and velocity of the body? Option A, power. Option B, acceleration. Option C, mass. Option D, force. Right answer is option C, mass. Product of which of the following pair is resulted into force? Option A, mass and velocity. Option B, mass and acceleration. Option C, weight and velocity. Option D, weight and acceleration. Right answer is option B, mass and acceleration. What type of energy is the wind energy? Option A, potential. Option B, kinetic. Option C, electrical. Option D, both potential and kinetic. Right answer is option B, kinetic. What is acceleration? Option A, change of velocity per unit time. Option B, change of momentum per unit time. Option C, change of speed per unit time. Option D, change of direction. Right answer is option A, change of velocity per unit time. Who propounded the universal law of gravitation? Option A, Sir Isaac Newton. Option B, Galileo Galilei. Option C, Nicholas Copernicus. Option D, Albert Einstein. Right answer is option A, Sir Isaac Newton. What is the apparent weight of an falling object? Option A, 0. Option B, remain same. Option C, twice of actual weight. Option D, half of actual weight. Right answer is option A, 0. Who among the following anticipated Newton by declaring that all things gravitate to the earth? Option A, Aryabhatta. Option B, Varahamihir. Option C, Buddhagupta. Option D, Brahmagupta. Right answer is option D, Brahmagupta. If pieces of equal size of woods, wax and iron falling from a same height, which one will reach the surface of the earth first? Option A, wood. Option B, wax. Option C, iron. Option D, all at the same time. Right answer is option D, all at the same time. Which statement is true about the weight of human body? Option A, maximum at the poles. Option B, same at every place. Option C, maximum at the equator. Option D, maximum at the center of the earth. Right answer is option A, maximum at the pole. What does weightlessness mean? Option A, it means zero gravity. Option B, it means gravity decreases. Option C, it means gravity increases. Option D, none of the above. Right answer is option A, it means zero gravity. On which of the following time period of a pendulum depends? Option A, depends on the mass. Option B, depends on its length. Option C, depends on time. Option D, depends on temperature. Right answer is option B, depends on its length. Why do pendulum clocks usually lose time in summer? Option A, due to longer days in summer. Option B, due to friction caused by coils. Option C, because the length of the pendulum increases. Option D, because the weight of the pendulum change. Right answer is option C, because the length of the pendulum increases. In which season a pendulum clock runs faster? Option A, summer. Option B, winter. Option C, spring season. Option D, rainy season. Right answer is option B, winter. What is the Earth's escape velocity? Option A, 15 km per second. Option B, 21.1 km per second. Option C, 7 km per second. Option D, 11.2 km per second. Right answer is option D, 11.2 km per second. Why a drop of liquid tends to be spherical? Option A, because of surface tension. Option B, because of viscosity. Option C, because of less density. Option D, because of gravitation. Right answer is option A, because of surface tension. What is the most important property of nanomaterial? Option A, force. Option B, friction. Option C, pressure. Option D, temperature. Right answer is option B, friction. Which statement is true about pressure inside a soap bubble? Option A, more than atmospheric pressure. Option B, less than atmospheric pressure. Option C, equal to atmospheric pressure. Option D, half of atmospheric pressure. Right answer is option A, more than atmospheric pressure. What is the size of respirable suspended particulate matter? Option A, more than 7 micron. Option B, less than 3 micron. Option C, more than 5 micron. Option D, less than 5 micron. Right answer is option D, less than 5 micron. For which one of the following capillarity is not the only reason? Option A, blotting of ink. Option B, rising of underground water. Option C, spread of water drop on a cotton cloth. Option D, rising of water from the roots of a plant to its foliage. Right answer is option D, rising of water from the roots of a plant to its foliage. How does viscosity change with the rise of temperature? Option A, it increases. Option B, it decreases. Option C, it remains unchanged. Option D, it depends on nature of liquid. Right answer is option B, it decreases. What is the reason behind rise of kerosene in the wick of the stove? Option A, osmosis. Option B, diffusion. Option C, surface tension. Option D, biogen contraction. Right answer is option C, surface tension. How the size of an air bubble changes when it rises to the top from bottom of a lake? Option A, increased in size. Option B, decreased in size. Option C, maintain its size. Option D, flatten into a disc-like shape. Right answer is option A, increased in size. Why the ink of the pen starts to come out while traveling by plane? Option A, due to decrease in air pressure. Option B, due to increase in air pressure. Option C, due to increase in volume of ink. Option D, due to excessive load. Right answer is option A, due to decrease in air pressure. On which principle does hydraulic brakes work? Option A, Archimedes principle. Option B, Newton's law of motion. Option C, Bernoulli's principle. Option D, Pascal's law. Right answer is option D, Pascal's law. What does a sudden fall in barometer reading indicate? Option A, stormy weather. Option B, rainy weather. Option C, cool dry weather. Option D, hot and humid weather. Right answer is option A, stormy weather. Which of the following is the byproduct derived from the refining process of petroleum? Option A, petrol. Option B, charcoal. Option C, coal. Option D, asphalt. Right answer is option D, asphalt. Why there is no atmosphere on the moon? Option A, it is near to the earth. Option B, it receives light from the sun. Option C, it revolves around the earth. Option D, escape velocity is lesser than the root mean square velocity of gas. Right answer is option D. Escape velocity is lesser than the root mean square velocity of gas. Why water at the bottom of a lake does not freeze even at -5 degrees Celsius? Option A. Ice is a bad conductor of heat. Option B. Ice is a good conductor of heat. Option C. The density of water is maximum at 4 degrees Celsius. Option D. Both A and C. Right answer is option D. Both A and C. Why a passenger sitting inside a train leans backward as the train starts moving? Option A. Because of inertia of rest. Option B. Because of inertia of motion. Option C. Because of conservation of energy. Option D. Because of conservation of mass. Right answer is option A. Because of inertia of rest. Why the Leaning Tower of Pisa does not fall? Option A. It is tapered at the top. Option B. It covers a large base area. Option C. Its center of gravity remains at the lowest position. Option D. The center of gravity of the tower falls within its base. Right answer is option D. The center of gravity of the tower falls within its base. Which one of the following is not a contact force? Option A. Push force. Option B. Gravitational force. Option C. Frictional force. Option D. Strain force. Right answer is option B. Gravitational force. Which of the following quantity is a measure of inertia? Option A. Velocity. Option B. Acceleration. Option C. Mass. Option D. Weight. Right answer is option C. Mass. On which principle rocket works? Option A. Newton's first law. Option B. Bernoulli's principle. Option C. Newton's third law. Option D. Pascal's law. Right answer is option C. Newton's third law. Product of which of the following pairs is called momentum? Option A. Mass and acceleration. Option B. Velocity and acceleration. Option C. Mass and velocity. Option D. Mass and inertia. Right answer is mass and velocity. Which of the following laws give definition of force? Option A. Newton's first law of motion. Option B. Newton's second law of motion. Option C. Newton's third law of motion. Option D. Newton's law of gravitation. Right answer is option B. Newton's second law of motion. Which of the following can describe the recoil of cannon after firing? Option A. Conservation of energy. Option B. Newton's second law of motion. Option C. Newton's third law of motion. Option D. Conservation of mass. Right answer is option C. Newton's third law of motion. Which activity is not based upon kinetic friction? Option A. Writing. Option B. Speaking. Option C. Hearing. Option D. Walking. Right answer is option C. Hearing. Ladder is an example of option A. Class 1 river. Option B. Class 2 river. Option C. Class 3 river. Option D. Inclined plane. Right answer is option C. Class 3 river. The rate of change of acceleration is called option A. Momentum. Option B. Jerk or jolt. Option C. Force. Option D. Work. Right answer is option B. Jerk or jolt. Working of lever is based on option A. Principle of torque. Option B. Moment of inertia. Option C. Newton's first law of motion. Option D. Newton's second law of motion. Right answer is option A. Principle of torque. What does energy conservation mean? Option A. Generation and destruction of energy. Option B. Energy could be created. Option C. Energy could not be created but destroyed. Option D. Energy can neither be created nor destroyed. Right answer is option D. Energy can neither be created nor destroyed. Which one of the following can become negative? Option A. Velocity. Option B. Speed. Option C. Mass. Option D. Distance. Right answer is option A. Velocity. How is friction due to air reduced? Option A. Lubrication. Option B. By using ball bearings. Option C. By polishing. Option D. Streamlining. Right answer is option D. Streamlining. If a man standing on a sensitive balance and inhales deeply, then what will be the change in reading of the balance? Option A. Increases. Option B. Decreases. Option C. No change. Option D. May increase or decrease depending on the atmospheric pressure. Right answer is option A. Increases. Why kerosene oil floats on water? Option A. Kerosene has greater density than water. Option B. Kerosene has lesser density than water. Option C. Kerosene and water has equal density. Option D. none of the above. Right answer is option B. Kerosene has lesser density than water. Mass of a body at the center of the earth is option A. Less than that at the surface. Option B. Remain same. Option C. More than at the surface. Option D. 0. Right answer is option B. Remain same. Weight of a body at the center of the earth is option A. 0. Option B. Remain same. Option C. Twice of actual weight. Option D. Half of actual weight. Right answer is option A. 0. Hope you like the video. If so, don't forget to hit the like button and share with your friends and other aspirants. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.